What did you step on? Oh, you stepped on the tray like that with your foot? Huh? Hmm? You already ate. Huh? A Howie? You wash your hands? A hurry? Gotta hurry and wash your hands?
No, Harry.
Hobby? You want to sit down in your chair? That's a chair tray. Want me to help? Oh, help me? Is that what you said? Huh? Did you say help me? Okay, come on, sit down. Sit. Good job. Are you Mama's baby?